let's see if these work. Well, they may or may not. Oh, they replaced the buttons on this one. These used to have Delta, as you can see by the phone button. Does yours have the Delta buttons?
No.
Yeah, mine doesn't either. Looks like they replaced them. You can see like the little holes are a bit smaller too, or the holes are bigger than the buttons. Well, guess those are gone. All right, well, here are the north elevators. Also just kind of sitting on peak up.
I'll get the one on this side this time.
All right, replace buttons as well. You can see here the phone button is still original. Well, I let you go first, just in case. Well, they're less exciting now, so that's it.